Good day. This is the 4-step cure tip number 6. Guess what? We still praying. We ain't even left the bed yet. Better yet, you find a sacred space. I don't care if it's the bathroom, if it's a closet, but you make sure there's a mirror. And you make sure that when people know that you're in this space, to give you your space. Because you need to be one with yourself. You don't need any distractions. My dad, baby, what? Can I get a hug? I guess that's great, yeah. Right now, honey, I need to spend time with myself. The kids need to know, okay, when mom or dad is in this space, I don't bother them. And you don't have to be in there all day. It doesn't have to take all day. It doesn't have to take that long at all. But you need a space, a sacred space, whether it's in the bathroom, while you're brushing your teeth, when you're looking in that mirror. A prayer room, a little small sacred space. So that you can be alone with yourself in a comfort zone where you can say and breathe and be who you need to be so that you can say what you need to say. So that in turn you can achieve what you're praying for. And that is my pushing point for today. Please enjoy the rest of your day.